Good day, students. We all know that biology is a fascinating subject. In case of NEET, students can score maximum marks in biology. Let's see how to prepare for it. There are 5 important tips to follow. The first one is know your syllabus. First and foremost, very much important. It is always good to start with the NCERT textbook since it is the standard one. Second is split the syllabus in 3 parts. This is for easy preparation. Generally, the question types for this exam will be from 3 types of chapters. That is, must do or do only if you have sufficient time, and the next is do or die. In must do, it includes questions from topics such as animal respiration, reproduction and development, animal nutrition, animal tissues, biotechnology, ecology and more. Do only if you have sufficient time. In this section includes chapters like anatomy of flowering plants, animal kingdom from porphyra to echinoderms, microbes and origin of life, growth, repair and regeneration, lastly biodiversity, etc. Do or die category. This category covers important topics like photosynthesis, cell structure, plant morphology, plant nutrition, genetics, plant kingdom and many others. The third important tip is to never forget the most important step in your preparation is to refer NEET previous question papers of biology. It provides an idea about the question pattern and is the best way to practice and revise. Fourth one, students are advised to study all the examples given in the NCERT along with the common names and prepare wisely for Plantae and Animalia topics as it is a time-consuming and exhaustive, and more emphasis must be given on chordates of class levels and phylum in non-chordates. The last one is always have the habit of making charts and notes of names while studying for biology, as this will help you in revising and to keep names on your fingertips. Also, it becomes easy to refer before the NEET exam. So, these are the 5 important tips a student who's preparing should follow. After all the efforts for NEET exam preparation, stay confident and calm. Don't concentrate much on the number of seats offered by the NEET. After all, you only require 1 seat. Just aim for it.